Hey guys, I'm Milos from SCRUBdesignz, and today I show you guys how we changed this BETA to something much cooler with new Polysport Restyle plastics. A year ago, Polysport decided to make Restyle plastics for older models BETA RR 13 to 17 and RR 18 to 19 to make the older models look sharp, new and better than before. From this time, when we load the website with the new Restyle plastics, we are getting so many questions about fitment of these plastics. Majority of the questions are about fitment of the plastics. Customers are not sure if they can fit these new Restyle plastics on original mounting points, if they need to change fuel tank or seat or even headlight. I can tell you guys that nothing from that is necessary. You can fit Restyle plastics on original bike with original mounting points. Not necessary to change fuel tank, not necessary to change seat, and even headlight. It can stay a headlight what you have originally from the bike, and you can fit new headlight mask and get 2021 model shape of the plastics, more sharper look, better and new look for your bike. That way you can really refresh the look of your bike to make it much cooler. We've been working with Polysport over the year on this project, and now I show you what you get when you order Restyle plastics for BETA. What is included in a Restyle plastics? Front fender. This is actually same shape of the front fender as RR models 2021 and 2020. Other parts are both foreguards. That's the same shrouds. That's updated shape, so you can easily fit it instead of your older shape of the shrouds. Headlight mask. It's another part. We couldn't understand how it's possible to fit this new shape of the headlight on an older light, but all that is possible. Slowly we show you all the process how we fit this on the bike. And another part is rear fender with side plates and plus right airbox. These will go together and it will give you better look. So that is all what is included in the plastics. Restyle plastics are available in 4 different combination colors. White, traditional, very nice white color. Nardo gray. This color was idea of Polysport. They released it a couple years ago and it's very popular. Standard black and as original red for all models. Actually, this bike is RR 2015 model. As you can see on the plastics, maybe you can see in the video, these plastics already lose some shade in the color, so it's very easy way how you can really refresh your bike with the new colors. Plus, here in Scrub, what we are doing, we are mixing and offering different color combinations. So if you go to our website, in the section of BETA Restyle plastics, you can find front end in a black and rear in a red. And we offer that as a standard and in the same price as normal full white kit or full red. So you can get the benefit of mixed plastics combination for the same price. Graphics kit. Little bit of information about that. If you mount Restyle plastics on a bike, it's be careful with the graphics, because standard RR 2021 graphics will not fit Restyle plastics. Many shops will probably offer this as an option, but you will waste your money if you go this route. Stick to proper graphics companies. For example, we offer huge range of graphics combinations, different styles, colors, chrome option, matte finish, whatever you want for your bike. High quality graphics, as I said, they need to be specifically made for Restyle plastics, You need to have proper template for that because they are a little bit tricky to fit, and as you can see, shapes are totally different than your original bike. This is 2015 model, and with this restyle you get updated look, so be careful. Go to our website, send us email, send us message on Instagram or Facebook, and our team will help you to sort the graphics. We can even properly fit graphics on your plastics. You can order in that way. You don't need to struggle with applying graphics. You get perfectly fitted graphics on the plastics without bubbles, professional work, and only thing what you do, you put new plastics on the bike, so that will be very easy for you guys. Of course, if somebody wants to order only graphics, it's possible. Let's get started. We are starting with lash route to show you how easy is that. First of all, we have to remove seat from the bike, which is easy on a BETA. It's done. And now we have to undo all the screws. We start with radiator shroud. Here, radiator bolt. A fuel tank. You have only 5 bolts here, which is good. Very easy to undo them. Now we are taking all plastics off and we are putting new black shroud in. So here it is. This is going under the old one. You see, all mounting points are exactly on the same position as on the original shroud. So that easy. Now I show you how we put it together. Of course, I'm not going to change or to put this bolt in because I have to swap other side as well. Job done. First plastics in, and it already looks cool. We will continue on other plastics. Headlight mask. This one is going here. If you don't believe, just look at it. You need to undo this rubber thing. That's easy part. And now that's why I love motocross bikes. What the hell is that? Yeah, a little bit of work. So I need to undo braking cable or hose. Okay, it's done. Look at that. Perfect fit. Much better shape. Polysport guys really take time. Actually, we have a few prototypes 3D printed and they were not 100% accurate, but now I can see that this is perfect straight bolt on. Polysport take great time to do that. It's precise job. One thing what you have to do is you have to use wood bolts instead of original one. Little bit different thread, but that's like it will cost a few cents. Obviously we don't have new fender here, but this will be done. We will continue Now we have to swap front fender to make it fit. 45 minutes later, we are done. Bike is completed, all plastics on their places. Few things what I find out: you don't need your fender support from older model. You have to swap these rubber things to the new headlight and play a little bit with the rear fender, because you have this brace for your registration or for your rear light. You have to swap that, and shortly we show you little details how these plastics fit, because really it's very great fit on the bike, no problems at all, so hopefully you will like it. Graphics are done. We did custom graphics for this customer with a black, red, white combination, a little bit of gray, which is very popular now. So what we do, we are going to apply graphics on the bike, on the new plastics. Now I'm holding seat cover, because if you are really serious, you can change seat cover as well. This one is few years old, so we did new seat cover for this model. Black, red ribs for a little bit grip. Very easy as well, and I show you how specific seat cover we are producing. They are really made into the shape of the seat, so you don't have trouble to put them on, and even somebody who will do that first time, it's very handy, because we are doing this thing in the end. I don't know how you call that, and in the front as well we are calling that papuchka. We are done. Graphics, plastics, seat cover, everything completed with the help of our crew. We put the graphics on without problem, perfect template, seat cover, as I showed you guys, very easy to fit. And this is how it looks with new everything. Hopefully you guys like it. If you need any help with any graphics, plastics for your dirt bike, send us email, contact us via Instagram, Facebook, or call us. We are here to help you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit also notification button so you see every new video what we are posting. We have a plan to post much more daily stuff, weekly stuff, and a lot of interesting things going on, so we want to show you guys what we are doing in our work. I hope that you like it.